How to reset into an encrypted chat pin on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to reset into an encrypted chat pin on Messenger. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Messenger app on your device. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner and the gear icon at top right corner to access the Me section of Messenger. Now tap on Privacy and Safety option and tap Enter and Encrypted Chats. Tap on Message Stories. Now tap Reset PIN. Create your PIN. Again confirm your PIN. And then you can again tap Reset PIN and reset your PIN on Messenger. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.